Hi class, on previous lesson we had learned on how to convert t function to s function, or we call Laplace transform. In this session we are going to learn the reverse process, which is inverse Laplace transform. Theoretically, inverse Laplace transform can be defined as the transformation of a Laplace transform that is rational function of s into time domain expression that is function of time t. The inverse Laplace transform can be written in this form. We still need Laplace transform table for reference as before. I'm going to show you two examples of inverse Laplace transform operation. So let's go to the first one. First, write the symbol of inverse Laplace transform. So we have inverse Laplace of 7s plus 3 over s squared minus 1. Because this equation is plus and minus operation, so we can separate it like this. Inverse Laplace transform of 7s over s squared minus 9, and the other one plus inverse Laplace transform of 3 over s squared minus 9. So we can inverse this function one by one. If the equation is multiplication or division, we cannot separate like we have done before, like this. This is absolutely wrong. So let's back to our previous equation. When checked with formula, this function was matched with cos omega t, which is s over s squared minus omega squared, and the other one was matched with sin omega t, which is omega over s squared minus omega squared. So what's next? Factorize this function that we got 7 inverse Laplace of s over s squared minus 3 squared, where 9 is 3 squared. The other one becomes inverse Laplace transform of 3 over s squared minus 3 squared, also where 9 is equal to 3 squared. Compare the equation of inverse Laplace transform of s over s squared minus 3 squared with Laplace transform table. Omega is equal to 3, same with the other equation. Finally, the answer is 7 cos 3t plus sin 3t. Next example is given that s function is equal to 5 over 2 s power of 4. We need to inverse this Laplace transform, meaning that we need to find the t function. First step, factorize all constants to leave only s variable inside. This is what we should have. The reason why is we can easily match the equation with form of s function in Laplace transform table. In this case, by looking at Laplace transform table from t function to s function, for t power of n is n factorial over s power of n plus 1. And the inverse is from s function to t function, we should have t power of n. Refer to the equation n is equal to 3. Before directly convert to s function, please multiply the equation with 1 over 3 so that it's look like we didn't change the original question. Then what we have is 5 over 2 times 1 over 6 with t power of n. Remember that n is equal to 3. Finally, this is the answer. Alright class, see you again in our next session. Thank you.